Okay, this is another rematch, or this is at least round 9 of the high-speed train demolition derby. Again, we've got Tommy Steamalong Thomas, N700, Spencer, the Komachi, Toby and the Jet Engine, James, Shooting Star Gordon, Percy's Chocolate Crunch, Diesel 10, Flying Scotsman. Whoever will win the 9th round of the high-speed train demolition derby is the real winner for this one. So let's get them going. This time I'll leave the playroll Komachi running at normal speed. Oh, there goes James, shoving the Tommy Steamalong Thomas, and he's stuck. Oh, the playroll N700, stop it. I'll have to slow down the N700 there. He's giving playroll Shooting Star Gordon a bit of anger. Oh, but James is somehow stuck. Oh, there he is. James running, or not. Oh, James is stuck. Oh, most unfortunate. Oh, there we go. Shooting Star has shoved N700 off the track. But Snowy Spencer has shoved Percy's Chocolate Crunch. And here comes Diesel 10 up behind the playroll Komachi. Oh! Spencer's already... No, Percy's Chocolate Crunch has lost a second cargo. Oh! A close one there. Toby and the Jet Engine, the Flying Scotsman, Snowy Spencer, the playroll Komachi, and Diesel 10 are still in the game. Oh, but now Snowy Spencer is stuck somehow. Look at Flying Scotsman. He's got his face shoved into the jet engine. Maybe when the playroll Komachi comes around with Diesel 10 trying to shove him, maybe I'll just get him at full speed again. And here comes the playroll N7... No, the playroll Komachi, sorry. Now only Toby and the Jet Engine, the Flying Scotsman, and Diesel 10 are still in the game. Oh! Oh, most unfortunate. Toby and the Jet Engine, the Flying Scotsman are still in. Toby's trying to get a bit of speed away from Flying Scotsman, but Flying Scotsman is still ahead. No, wait, is still behind Toby. This is really getting us nowhere. This may be rather getting a little bit boring. Well, at least now Toby is getting at least a little bit of speed. Trying to get away from the Flying Scotsman. That's still getting us nowhere. A bit of a speed away from Flying Scotsman. Still not getting us anywhere. Toby and the jet engine are now about that far away from Flying Scotsman. I actually got the competitors back on the rails. I'm just gonna get each of them going again, only I'm gonna get them at normal speed at least. Okay. We got them all going now. Gotta get Diesel 10, Spencer, Mimi, James, and Thomas, get them going as well. We're back in the game. And here comes James, coming up behind the Tommy Steam-Along Thomas. Oh! Stuck at the corner. Oh, now Shooting Star Gordon has up behind the Playrail N700. Probably time to get him at full speed. Oh, and Shooting Star, get him going as well. Go Shooting Star Gordon! Let's hope eventually, whoever survives this round of the high-speed train demolition derby is the real winner for this one, for sure. Snowy Spencer has shoved Percy's Chocolate Crunch cargo. The Playrail N700 is now catching up to Playrail Shooting Star Gordon. Any minute there will be a derailment or a crash. Now they're touching, Oh! There goes Snowy Spencer. Oh! Whoa! Snowy Spencer has shoved Percy's cargo off the rails, but Percy's still standing. And now there it is. And Toby and the jet engine is left. Here he comes, up behind Flying Scotsman! Woo! What a train crash! At last, out of all the 10 competitors to compete in the high-speed train demolition derby of 2022, Toby and the jet engine is the winner! Woo! Yeah! Let's see the final results. and the total scores as well. Shall we? Stay tuned. Well, this is it. This is finally it. The high-speed train demolition derby of 2022 has come to an end. So the final results. The Tommy Steam-Along Thomas won round 1. The Playrail N700 won round 2. Snowy Spencer won round 3. The Playrail Komachi won round 4. And Toby and the Jet Engine won round 5. With these 5 rounds, plus a few more, that somehow makes 8! Almost the exact number as the number of rounds from Leo Convideo's first train demolition derby, huh? Well, Triple Eight Battery modded James won round 6. Flying Scotsman, our champion, won round 7. And Percy's Chocolate Crunch, Truckmaster Revolutionized, won round 8. Only Shooting Star Gordon and Diesel 10 are left. Either Shooting Star Gordon and Diesel 10 won rounds 9 to 10, or Diesel 10 and Shooting Star Gordon won rounds 9 to 10. But overall of that, after this long, crazy, so intenseful, high-speed train demolition derby this year, the winner will have to be Toby and the Jet Engine. Congratulations, Toby. You're the winner of the high-speed train demolition derby. Congratulations. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this video. This is Trainboy54 saying thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more Trainboy54 videos of 2022. Until next year, well, who knows what the next high-speed train demolition derby will be like? And who knows who will win the next high-speed train demolition derby for next year? Until then, again, thanks for watching, and have a good summer vacation, folks! See you all soon. Bye.